What is up, everyone? I'm here to show you my favorite gluten-free vegan oat banana bar with strawberry in it recipe today. You will love this so much. I'm so excited to share it with you. It's our favorite in this house. Let's get started. First things first, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then to a bowl, add in 6 ripe mashed sliced bananas in your bowl. Then add in 1 cup of strawberries into the bowl. And then take a fork or masher and start mashing the strawberries and bananas together until they are fully mashed. Now add in 4 cups of gluten-free oatmeal. Then add in 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder. This is super optional, but you can add in 1 tablespoon of almond extract or vanilla extract. Now go ahead and just mix it all together until it's fully combined. After it's fully mixed together, go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of plant-based milk of your choice, and then go ahead and just mix it again until it's really fully combined, and then it should turn into like this sticky oatmeal batter. Now grab a paper towel and oil up a square pan or rectangle. Make sure it's not a giant pan. It doesn't really matter actually what size it is, as long as it's not spread out too thin. You need at least some thick bars going for yourself. Pour the batter in and make sure you press the whole entire top of the batter down until it's flat and even on all your sides. Now go ahead, it should look exactly like this, by the way. Go ahead and go right to the oven, place it into your oven and close it up and bake it for about 25 minutes. After it's done baking, go ahead and pull that right out of the oven and let that cool for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour. After that's cooled down, go ahead and start cutting up any size of a bar that you might want, or a square. Cut it however you like and serve it on a plate and enjoy this delicious breakfast bar or any time of day bar that you like. Enjoy that, smell it, take pictures of it, show it off to your family and friends, and enjoy your breakfast. And you have a lovely day. If you guys make this recipe, tag Meet the Presleys on Instagram or Facebook, and I'll give you a shout out in a vlog. And also, if you have any questions, go ahead and write us, and I'll be so glad to answer them.